Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change password in Binance. Keep watching the video till the end. To change password in Binance, firstly open your Binance application. The home page of Binance application will appear on the screen. Click on box icon at the top left corner of the screen. On the next page, click on little gear icon at the top right side of the screen. Scroll all the way down and click on Security. Tap on Password option and click on Continue. Enter a verification code sent to your email for confirmation and tap on Submit. Create a new password and confirm your new password by re-entering it and tap on Confirm. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can change password in Binance quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.